Hi guys, we're
Pasyonan nila yan. Basta maraming nagayaw-yaw.
open this cute, I don't know. Dapat let's open it. I don't know how to open this. Let's speed up time. Back to normal. Look at the eyes. Wow! Wow!
Sa aringgay na naman.
Pipi. Yay! I like this. Oh! See.
Nawala ba ako ng dalang charger?
Let's
Wala,
decorate this purple
Wala akong
girl
nagdalang
first.
charger.
We're gonna decorate with this blue eyes. Let's go. Let's wait. We're gonna place the other eye. Wait, we're supposed to. Where's this pig? We're supposed to use this eye for the girl. It's fine. Look at the other pieces. Okay, we're done with it, and only need to do the decorating. We're gonna add this earrings here. And then, and the time is almost up.